Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Hasnul, and in this video, I will be talking about a state of the art artificial intelligence tool called Adobe Firefly. Alright, so first, what is Adobe Firefly? Adobe Firefly is a generative AI system launched in 2023, which is aimed at creative professionals such as designers, artists, web developers, anyone working with visual content. Its goal is to move from traditional design workflows into AI enabled workflows, where you can prompt the system and get sophisticated visuals. Because it is so recent, it represents one of the cutting edge developments in AI in the creative domain. The company behind Firefly is Adobe Incorporation. It is a global leader in creative software, known for products like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. Firefly is integrated into Adobe's Creative Cloud ecosystem. By launching this tool, Adobe is signaling that generative AI is becoming a first class part of the creative toolchain. The fact that a major company, rather than just a research lab, is launching it shows its commercial readiness. Okay, so now let's look at the technology behind it. Adobe Firefly uses generative AI models such as deep learning, large scale training, and multimodal inputs. It supports text to image and text to video generation, meaning you can type a prompt like sunset beach with futuristic city skyline and get a corresponding image or short video. The models are multimodal, meaning that they can combine text, image, and video. The compute costs and infrastructure are very high state of the art models now cost tens to hundreds of millions of dollars to train. The integration into Adobe's product means the cloud infrastructure and deployment are ready for creative professionals. So, for the question is, what can Firefly do in practice? First, text to image generation. You give a prompt, get a high quality image ready for design use. Second, text to video. You can generate short video clips from prompts. And third, seamless integration. Example, Photoshop's generative fill is powered by Firefly, meaning you can edit parts of image using AI. Fourth, creative flexibility. You can adjust style, lighting, mood, context. So it's not just a static output, but also a creative control remains with the human. For someone like me that is interested in web design, graphics, starting with CSS, this means you could generate custom assets, concept visuals, background images, or even animations without starting completely from scratch. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly is a powerful illustration of how generative AI has moved into mainstream creative tooling. It's cutting edge, launched since 2023, commercially backed, and directly relevant to creatives, web designers, and front end developers. For us, it shows that the future of design isn't replacing humans, but also augmenting them. We become orchestrators of creative workflows where AI takes on the heavy lifting of generation, and we refine and implement it. As you continue learning web, graphics, and design, thinking about how AI like Firefly can fit into your workflow will give you a competitive edge. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.